Mewing helped me get from this baby-faced, chubby-cheeked guy to this guy in just 13 months. This is the only video you will ever need to watch on how to mew correctly. So if you're stuffing your face with pizza, come back when you're ready to focus, because I am about to show you how to change your facial bone structure with the 6 steps of mewing. As we go through this video, you'll realize just how simple mewing is. It's not the magic pill a lot of people think it is, and that's why they give up. But you know that the key to success with mewing is consistency. If you can follow these 6 steps and stick to them like I did, you will transform your facial bone structure. So if you're dedicated to transforming your jawline, after this mewing tutorial, I'll give you my 3-step formula to reach your genetic jawline potential. In fact, on this channel, Alpha Growthers, I'll be sharing everything I learned on my jawline journey. I've tried it all, and I know what works. So please, let me help you by squashing that subscribe button. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1 is your lips. Seal your lips lightly and try to use as little lip muscle as possible. You don't want to be pushing down hard like this, and you definitely don't want to be pouting your lips out like this. Your front teeth should not touch each other at all, but you can have your back teeth lightly touching. Your bottom teeth should be slightly behind your upper teeth, which is a slight overbite, the natural position our teeth are supposed to be in. It's okay for your back teeth to be a little bit apart, maybe a centimeter max, but anything more is wrong. Step 2 is your tongue. This is the part everyone thinks about when they hear mewing, getting your tongue flat against your upper palate. And yes, that's the goal, to have your tongue against the roof of your mouth all the time when you are not eating, drinking, or talking. But it's harder than it sounds, so let me break it down. First, the tip of your tongue should not be touching your front teeth. It should be just a little bit behind them. A good way to practice this is to say the letter N and hold it. N. That's roughly the tongue position you want to maintain. This will help straighten crooked teeth over time and keep straight teeth straight without a retainer. Now, a lot of people get this next part wrong, and you'll know if you're doing it right if the skin under your chin is tight, like this. You shouldn't have a bulge here. A bulge means you're pushing too much with the tip of your tongue, but the back part isn't up. The back third of your tongue is what matters most. It can take months to get it right, but as you practice and develop strength, it gets easier. A great exercise to feel what this is like is the chin tuck. Bring your chin back a bit, almost like you're trying to make a double chin, while keeping the correct mewing form. You'll feel your tongue curve up against the top of your palate. That's the back third you want to maintain. Do a few chin tucks to practice and get used to it. Over time, you'll be strong enough to hold that position all day. It's also going to be hard to breathe at first, so just practice. Don't sacrifice your breathing. As for sleeping, it will be hard to do this at night in the beginning. Just focus on doing it during the day. As you build muscle memory, you'll naturally start doing it while you sleep. Give yourself a break at night. Mewing is difficult in the beginning, and if you don't give yourself a break, you might just quit. Step 3 is swallowing. Most people swallow wrong their entire lives, and that's why they don't see results even after months of mewing. When you swallow, your tongue should push up against your upper palate, not forward against your front teeth. Pushing forward ruins your progress. Here's how to do it right. Close your lips lightly, keep your teeth in that natural position, and when you swallow, feel your tongue push up, not out. You should feel a kind of pressure up in your mid-face area, and maybe a little lift under your jawline. That's how you know it's working. Try this, take a small sip of water, keep your teeth together and your lips sealed, and swallow. If your chin stays still, you did it right. If it moves forward, you're using the tip of your tongue instead of the back. Correct swallowing will become second nature, so stay mindful. Step 4, chewing. This one might sound simple, but it's a huge reason why people don't see real mewing gains. Chewing the wrong way builds the wrong muscles, giving you that bloated, round cheek look instead of a clean, angular jawline. So, always chew with your mouth closed. Don't chew like you're in a cartoon. The wider you open your mouth, the more you engage your cheek muscles, which makes your face look puffy. Here's what to do: chew slowly and mindfully. Lips sealed, tongue supporting your upper palate, and all the movement should come from your masseter muscles, the ones right on the sides of your jaw. Over time, those muscles will grow stronger, your face will tighten, and you'll start to see that defined contour. It's not just genetics, it's consistency and correct chewing. Plus, chewing slowly helps you digest better and eat less, which reduces facial puffiness. Step 5. We're doubling down on swallowing because it's that important. This is the hidden gem most people overlook. Every time you swallow correctly, you generate a massive amount of upward pressure against your upper palate. That pressure literally tells your facial bones how to grow and stay aligned. Let's perfect it. Start in your normal mewing position. Gather saliva in your mouth using your tongue, press it up against your palate, and swallow hard. Here's the key: when you swallow, your cheeks and lips do nothing. They stay completely still. No chipmunk face, no puffing. The power comes only from your tongue pushing up. You'll know you're doing it right when only your Adam's apple moves. In the beginning, it feels weird, maybe even impossible. But that's just your weak muscles talking. Over time, your tongue, jaw, and neck will start working together, and every swallow becomes a mini workout for your facial structure. This is where the biggest changes come from. If you master swallowing the right way, you're not just mewing, you're reprogramming your face. And finally, step 6, slimming down. This is where everything you've done so far finally starts to show. You can mew, chew, and swallow perfectly, but if your face is covered with an extra layer of fat, all those sharp angles you're working for are just hiding. You have to understand this: your jawline is already there. It's just waiting for you to uncover it. When you lower your body fat, your cheekbones pop, your jawline cuts deeper, and your entire face looks more structured. That's when people notice. I'm not telling you to starve yourself. I'm telling you to clean up your diet. Cut out the junk, stay hydrated, sleep well, and let your mewing and chewing actually shine through. Remember, facial transformation isn't just about angles, it's about discipline. Your daily choices show up on your face. Mewing trains your tongue, chewing trains your jaw, but slimming down, that trains your mind. And when you conquer your mind, your face follows. That's what we do here on Alpha Growthers. We build transformation step by step. Until one day you wake up, look in the mirror, and see exactly who you were meant to be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover that 3-step formula to maximize your results.